In this video, we will learn how to control leg slides. This is a bridge exercise. It's not forever, but it is a step on your way. So master this, we'll take you to the next step. You want to lie comfortably on your back and using just these muscles, your abdominal muscles, tilt your pubic bone towards your navel and your navel towards the floor. Keep your glutes relaxed. Don't be pushing with your legs. It's all right here. It should feel good. If it doesn't, don't do it. Inhale. The back naturally wants to unfurl. And then exhale, engage these muscles again, shortening from here to here with an emphasis on taking your navel down, hence pelvic tilt, tilting the pelvic bowl. And an inhale. And an exhale. Due to the nature of this muscle, we want to hold it for about 5 seconds down here. Check yourself that these guys are relaxed. You're not pushing with your legs, and your legs are staying parallel. Ideally, this is all relaxed too. So I want you to maintain a pelvic tilt as you start to learn leg slides. So keep this anchored and gently slide a leg out. Going all the way down is optimal, but if it makes you arch your back, then don't. It's the second leg that is always more challenging. So stay stable, use these guys, and slide a leg out. When you're ready, keeping everything else relaxed, bring the leg back in, and the second leg back in. And you can see I wobbled a little teeny bit. So let's see if we can do this even better. Engage these. I won't talk this time, that might help.